Hey everyone! Glowing star, have you ever found yourself feeling drained, anxious, or even just plain unhappy because of someone in your life? It could be a family member, a friend, or a partner. Today, we're diving into a powerful approach that can truly change your life, going no contact with toxic people. In this video, we'll explore what no contact really means, how to recognize when it's time to take this step, and the incredible benefits that come from cutting out negativity. Stick around. I've got tips on how to stay strong in your decision and start your healing journey. So, what exactly is no contact? Thinking face, it's all about completely removing a toxic person from your life. This isn't just about ignoring them for a day or two, it involves some serious boundaries. Going no contact means blocking them on social media, avoiding both in-person and online interactions, ignoring those sneaky calls, texts, and emails, and even cutting ties with any mutual friends or enablers who might be dragging you back into the drama. But remember, this isn't about punishing anyone. It's about protecting your own peace and well-being. When someone consistently disrespects your personal boundaries, drains your energy, or manipulates you, stepping away isn't selfish. It's an important act of self-love. You deserve to prioritize your mental health and happiness. Sparkling heart. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if it's really time to go no contact? Woman shrugging. Well, let's go over some clear signs that might help you decide. First, if you often feel emotionally exhausted after interacting with this person, that's a big red flag. Location flag. If they're constantly gaslighting you, playing mind games, or guilt-tripping you, it's time to rethink that relationship. Next, consider whether they repeatedly disrespect your boundaries, even after you've communicated them clearly. You shouldn't have to feel worthless or anxious around anyone. Finally, if you find yourself justifying their toxic behavior because of guilt, you're likely in a cycle that needs to break. If any of this resonates with you, seriously consider the possibility of going no contact. Remember, your happiness is worth it. Biceps. So, what are the amazing benefits of going no contact? Let's get into how this powerful choice can change your life for the better. Rainbow. First off, you'll gain mental clarity. No more second-guessing yourself after every interaction. You'll also start to experience emotional peace. With less stress and less anxiety, you'll have way more space for happiness in your life. A big bonus? You'll notice an uptick in your self-esteem. You stop tolerating disrespect and start valuing yourself for who you really are. Plus, those healthier, more supportive relationships will start to flow into your life as you create space for them. And guess what? You'll likely find that your productivity increases as well. No more wasting energy on drama. By cutting out toxicity, you finally set yourself free to grow and thrive. Sunflower. Alright. Making the choice to go no contact is one thing, but staying strong afterward? That can be a challenge. Cold sweat smile. Here are some tips to help you maintain your decision and protect your peace. First, remind yourself of the reasons you left in the first place. Keeping a journal can really help with this. Write down your feelings and thoughts to revisit when you're feeling weak. Next, seek support. Talk to trusted friends. Join online communities, or reach out to a therapist. Get that extra help when you need it. If mutual friends start pressuring you to reconnect, you might have to cut off those enablers as well. It's not about being rude, it's about prioritizing your well-being. Last but not least, focus on self-growth. Try exploring new hobbies or goals, and surround yourself with positivity. Always remember, you owe no one an explanation for protecting your peace. Rocket. In conclusion, going no contact isn't just about cutting people off, it's about reclaiming your power and taking control of your life. Biceps. If this video resonated with you, I'd love to hear your story. Have you ever gone no contact? How did it change your life? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more self-growth content. Stay strong, everyone, and remember, you have the right to protect your peace. See you in the next video. Sparkling heart sparkles.